see that they go down to the frost line. And now we're doing the patio. Here's a project manager, spectators. This beautiful house is very similar to the house we're building it that we already just sold at H14. So if you care to look at the video from H14, you'll see exactly the size and similar cabinetry, a little bit different counter, a little bit different flooring that we picked out for this house. So this is still a construction site. We try to keep everybody up in here. Can't show the house yet. It hasn't arrived. It's been ordered. It'll be coming this week. Our construction foreman. So like I do with all the other houses, I'll keep you posted and give you updated videos as time goes on. Thanks for stopping in. Okay, now we're doing the concrete from the other side to finish off the patio. We've done this before. We do little batches up and down the patio runway. How about that? They put a little scoop in the, what do you call that? The trowel of the bobcat, and then run it down the bucket. This is fast-paced work. As you know, concrete will set, especially in this hot weather. What do we got, 80 degrees today? It's a beautiful day. The sky is stunning. I did a video once where I took this whole process and then fast forwarded it. It was kind of funny. And I set it to music. So what you're looking at now is the Dolan standard of building homes. This is how we do it. Not everybody does it like this. And I think that's one of the reasons we've become so successful recently with YouTube, letting people know how we really care and want people to have a nice home. Our guys are really pros. They're used to this. So we have 6 homes we've ordered, and we'll be going one house at a time, one family at a time. From our family to your family. Selling innovative, affordable, quality manufactured homes in our 3 Dolan Homes communities. Edison Mobile Estates, Carteret Mobile Park, and Harbor Crossings Manufactured Home Community. Keep in touch. Keep you posted.